If you Google Las Vegas manufacturing, AI Overview will tell you that Las Vegas has a growing manufacturing sector, serving a hub for assembly and advanced manufacturing, particularly due to its proximity to West Coast markets. Essentially what they're telling you is that Las Vegas is located right up the I-15 corridor from Riverside, Los Angeles, and San Diego. Turns out that it's also right up the I-11 corridor from Phoenix. So you have West Coast markets in both LA, San Diego, and Phoenix. The transportation infrastructure is actually wonderful. It's a balmy location, sunny almost every day of the year. It's cost effective because the wages are still lower, the taxation is lower than California, so you have a really choice location for manufacturing. Turns out there's also a manufacturing software company in Las Vegas and a product called Standard Time. Standard Time essentially allows you to scan barcodes on the shop floor to track employee time, manufacturing time, work orders, inventory, warehouse management. You can create jobs through RFIDs, QR codes, barcodes, project tasks for the steps and operations of manufacturing, then track them all through barcodes and QR codes on the shop floor. Once you've done that, you then have an idea of when and where your products are and where they're being manufactured, who's working on them. So check out Las Vegas as a possible location to relocate your manufacturing shop and Standard Time to run your manufacturing operation. Hey, hope this helps. Good idea here.